Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to be removing and reinstalling the steering column covers on this 2008 Chevy Silverado work truck. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to remove this cover right here. Just grab under here with your hand, pull up, slides right out. All right, next I'm going to take a 10mm socket, extension, and a ratchet. I'm going to remove a bolt that's underneath this parking brake release lever right here. Now I'm going to take this release handle and slide it towards the front of the vehicle and then slip it out. There's these clips that hold it in. Next I'm going to remove two screws. There's one right here. There's also one over here. This vehicle, it's missing, but it's just a Phillips head screw. Take that out. Okay, now I'm going to just grab this panel and pull it straight forward. There's clips on the back side, right here, and right here. Next I'm going to grab this handle for the steering wheel adjustment, and I'm just going to pull it straight outwards. Just like that, pull it off. This generally is very hard to get off. If you have to, just try to get a little screwdriver and pry it out, but you really got to force it out. Now I'm going to grab this panel and pull it down. Sometimes there is screws that hold this lower steering column cover on, but this vehicle doesn't have screws, so just grab it, pull it straight down, just like that. Now I want to take the upper cover off. I'm just going to adjust the steering wheel down, just push back on that adjuster, and then grab the cover and just slide it right up, just like that. I'm going to install this upper column cover. Just like that. And lock that down. Now we're going to adjust the column up. Take the lower cover. Just line this up. These little tabs, you're going to want to line those tabs up with the upper cover and lock it in place. All right, to reinstall this steering wheel column adjustment lever, just line this tab up and just lock it in place. All right, now we're gonna install this cover. Just line it up. Lock it in place. And next we're gonna install this screw, this Phillips head screwdriver. And if your vehicle had another one, you're going to install it over here as well. But this vehicle doesn't have it. Snug that up. Next we'll install this parking brake cable release. Just slide that over there. And then take the 10mm bolt. Get this started right here. Now we'll install this side cover. Just line those clips up. Lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.